What's up, guys? I got another flashlight for you. This is a really great EDC light. It's a fairly new company. This is the Litesam ED08. Alright. It's very beautiful. This is how the box looks. Alright. It's EDC 14500 battery. Doesn't say anything about the runtime for a regular alkaline, but shows you for the 14500 max output 700 lumens, runtime 0.9 hours. I think that's a little over an hour. No, under an hour. Alright. Medium 100 lumens for 2.5 hours. Low is 30 lumens for 8 hours. You got your 700 strobe, SOS. Got your beam intensity 6,823 candela. Your distance up to 165 meters. IPX8. I did dump this in water and pictures, so it did pass the water test. Impact resistance 2 meters. Alright, does it have your contact? That's their building. It's not like you guys in the States gonna go over there anyways, but I will put links in the description of where to get this light. Alright, let's see what it looks like in the box. Decent cardboard box. That's how it comes. See that? This was on there. That side's Chinese. Tells you what to do. Alright. Because once you get it, this is the light, but let me show you what you get. And the crazy part is, usually EDC lights like this, you do not get a holster. This light does get a holster. It's pretty good. It's very high quality. Got the logo. Only thing, let me see here. Yeah, I wish this had a button thing, but it is pretty good. Alright, you do get a manual. You get a rubber button, and it did have a spare O-ring. That's what I don't get, because let me show you this. And it comes with a lanyard. Decent. But I don't use lanyards, so oh well, but I'm glad it does bring the rubber boot. But as I was saying, it had only one O-ring in here, so I'm not sure. This came with an O-ring, right? It does come lubed, squirrel cut threads. It does come with your 14500, that's a plus. Alright. But you see the O-ring? It did come with that. Hold on, let me. But look at this knurling. This is gnarly. It's really good. Well, I have this off. Might as well show you that. Quality spring. Comes with a nice clip. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. I don't know if they forgot to put the extra in, but that O-ring right there was in the bag. So this was missing an O-ring. I'm not sure if it needs an O-ring. Maybe they built it a certain way that you don't need it and it's a spare one for the back. Not sure, but maybe they forgot. But I was just confused about that. But other than that, I'm not complaining. I just put the O-ring on, so at least you get a rubber boot. Oh, I'm trying to focus, but that's the other side. Alright, I love this light. Let me put this aside real quick. Yeah, see, this light had this in it for the battery. Alright, this is how the light looks. It does tail stand. Has the XPL emitter, smooth reflector. This is a really nice light. I'm going to show you the user interface and get this out of the way. Got a nice beam. Well, that's the beam profile. Alright. Alright, this is what you do. Turn off. It has momentary. So you find your mode. Every single mode is mode memory. Alright, so if I wanted strobe, you wait a couple seconds, it goes back in strobes. Got SOS, turn it off. If I want to keep it on our SOS, you got it. This is why I love this light. Alright, not many. It got a cool beam, cool white beam, but I forgot to tell you the tint. But see, back in SOS. So no matter what mode you have it, this is 700 lumens. Turn it off. If I want to keep it in that mode, you're good. So it's just simple clicks. That's how easy it is. Anyone can learn it. See? If I want it on the lowest mode, turn it off. I still got the lowest mode. So this is why I love this light. Every mode is memorized. It's simple. You find your mode, want this one, turn it off, comes back in that mode. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the beam shot footage in a minute. Here's another look of the light. Alright guys, I'll be right back. What's up guys? This is the Litesam ED08 beam shot footage. Alright, here we go. That's low. Hold on one second. That's low. Oh, hold on. That's medium. It's pretty good. This goes up to 700 lumens with an XPL emitter. Alright, I'm going to boost it up. That's low. Goes the strobe. That's your strobe. SOS. And just remember, every mode has a mode memory. There's your high. So this little EDC light, it's amazing. Got good distance. Alright, let me cycle through again. That's your low, or medium, low. And just so you know, there's no bad PWM in this light. Remember, I will leave links in the description where you could purchase it. Alright, let's go back to strobe, SRS, and then high. I'm gonna try to give you, I don't have a tripod or I'll give you secondary shots. Alright, I'm going to go through this one more time. It's medium, low, strobe, SRS, and then your high. Beautiful. 700 lumens. Alright guys. I'm about to take, what the hell was that? Thought I heard something. Alright guys. Peace. Thanks for watching.